If you've ever wanted to create a beautiful painting but felt like you don't have the skills, patience, or experience, then paint by numbers kits might be exactly what you're looking for. I've spent quite a bit of time researching beginner-friendly paint by numbers kits on Amazon, and honestly, some of them are surprisingly good. These aren't just simple crafts. They can actually turn into artwork you'd be proud to hang on your wall. But here's the thing, not all kits are created equal. Some come with low-quality canvas, dried-out paints, or confusing designs that can frustrate beginners instead of helping them relax. And if you're just getting started, the last thing you want is a bad first experience. So in this video, I'm breaking down some of the best paint by numbers kits for beginners, focusing on what really matters: ease of use, quality, value for money, and overall experience. Whether you're looking for a relaxing hobby, a thoughtful gift, or just something creative to do in your free time, this guide will help you choose the right one. Let's get into it. Starting with a strong all-around option, the BAISITE Paint by Numbers Kit really stands out for its balance of value and beginner-friendly features. One of the first things I noticed is that instead of just one canvas, you actually get two pre-printed cotton and linen canvases. That's a big plus if you want more practice or simply more value for your money. The canvas material itself is also important. A cotton-linen blend tends to hold paint better and gives a smoother painting experience compared to cheaper materials. For beginners, that can make a noticeable difference. Another feature I like is the extra paint supply. This kit includes about 30% more paint for commonly used colors, which helps prevent one of the most common issues, running out of paint before finishing your artwork. Everything about this kit is designed to be easy to use. You just match the numbers on the canvas with the paint colors and fill them in, no prior experience needed. You also get 8 wooden brushes, which is more than most kits offer. That gives you flexibility for both detailed work and larger sections. Plus, the included paper reference copies are very helpful if you accidentally cover a number or need a clearer view of the design. The only thing to keep in mind is that it doesn't come with a frame, so you'll need to arrange that separately if you want to hang your finished piece. Overall, it's a well-rounded option that offers great value and a smooth beginner experience. Next, if you're looking for variety or planning to make painting a regular hobby, the NINONLY 4-pack Paint by Numbers Kit is definitely worth considering. What makes this one stand out is simple. You're getting 4 complete paintings in one package. That's excellent value, especially if you want to practice or try different designs. Even better, all 4 canvases come pre-framed. That means no wrinkles, no setup, and no extra work. Once you're done painting, you can hang them up right away. This kit also includes a wooden easel, which makes the painting process more comfortable compared to working on a flat surface. In terms of tools, you're getting 16 brushes, 4 sets of acrylic paints, and color reference guides for each canvas. Everything is organized and ready to go. The designs include a mix of city scenes and garden themes, so you won't get bored easily. It's also a great option for group activities, whether it's family time or a casual paint session with friends. The only downside is that it's a bit bulkier, and having 4 canvases at once might feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. But if you want maximum value and variety, this is easily one of the best picks. Moving on, the YANXIN Paint by Numbers Kit focuses more on comfort and ease of use, which is something beginners will really appreciate. One of its biggest advantages is the canvas design. Instead of tiny, hard-to-read sections, it uses larger and clearer number areas. That makes the painting process much easier on your eyes and less frustrating overall. Another strong point is the paint quality. The paints are designed to stay fresh longer and resist drying out, which is especially helpful if you're working on your painting over several days. Like some of the better kits, this one also includes extra paint, so you're less likely to run out before finishing. You get 2 canvases, 2 sets of paints, 8 brushes, and both color guides and paper references. Everything comes in a neat, giftable box. This kit is very beginner-friendly and ideal if you want a more relaxed and less detailed experience. The only drawback is that it doesn't come with a frame, and more experienced users might find the designs a bit too simple. But if your focus is comfort and clarity, this is a great option. Next up, the QUITEDW Paint by Numbers Kit offers a simple and flexible painting experience with a few useful extras. One thing that stands out here is the included wall mounting kit. That means once you finish your painting, you already have what you need to hang it up. The canvas size is 16 by 20 inches, which is a nice balance. It's large enough to look impressive but still manageable for beginners. The painting process is straightforward, and you have the flexibility to choose the order in which you apply colors. The paints are non-toxic acrylics, making this a safer option for most users. This kit also works well as a shared activity. It's a great way to relax, spend time with family, or just take a break from screens. You also get a color guide and a numbered reference sheet to help keep everything organized. On the downside, it only includes 3 brushes, which is a bit limited compared to other kits. And while it includes mounting hardware, the canvas itself is not pre-framed. Still, it's a solid choice if you want something simple and easy to display. The AMPHOL Paint by Numbers kit takes a slightly different approach by focusing on making the painting process as smooth and comfortable as possible. The standout feature here is the high-definition color canvas. Unlike standard canvases, this one uses a colored background that makes the numbers easier to see. That reduces eye strain and makes the overall experience more enjoyable, especially during longer sessions. You also get a complete toolkit, including brushes, paints, and hanging accessories, so you can start painting right away. The instructions are simple and easy to follow, making it a great option for complete beginners. Another thing worth mentioning is the 1-year after-sales support, which adds an extra layer of confidence. The main limitation is that it only includes 1 canvas, so it's not as value-packed as multi-set options. But if you want a smoother, more comfortable painting experience, this is definitely worth considering. Then there's the CAYUDEN Paint by Numbers kit, which is designed to be as relaxing and beginner-friendly as possible. This one is incredibly easy to get started with. You just open the package and begin painting. No complicated setup required. The linen canvas is a big advantage here. It makes the numbers easier to read and allows the paint to go on more smoothly. One interesting feature is that the printed lines can be removed with water if you want a cleaner final look. This kit really focuses on the stress relief aspect of painting. It's a great way to slow down, focus, and enjoy the process. You also get a complete set of tools, including brushes, paints, and hanging accessories. The only downside is that it's a single-piece kit, so it doesn't offer as much variety. But if your goal is relaxation and simplicity, it does a great job. Finally, the GINKKO Paint by Numbers kit is perfect if you want something simple, compact, and ready to display. The biggest advantage here is that it comes pre-framed, so once you finish painting, you can hang it up immediately without any extra work. The canvas is smaller, which actually makes it less intimidating and easier to complete. It's perfect if you want a quick project or a faster sense of accomplishment. You get non-toxic paints, a textured canvas, brushes, and hanging hardware, all included. It's suitable for all skill levels and also makes a great gift. The only drawback is the smaller size, which might not be ideal if you're looking for a large statement piece. But for convenience and ease of use, it's a great option. So when it comes down to choosing the right kit, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want the best overall value, options like BAISITE or the multi-pack from NINONLY give you more for your money. If comfort and ease are your priority, then YANXIN or AMPHOL are strong choices. For a more relaxing and casual experience, CAYUDEN and QUITEDEW are great picks. And if you want something quick and ready to hang, GINKKO is probably the easiest option to start with. At the end of the day, all of these kits are designed with beginners in mind. They're not about perfection, they're about enjoying the process, building confidence, and creating something you can be proud of. And that's really what makes Paint by Numbers so rewarding. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. I'll see you in the next one.